Welcome to our Home Garden Guide channel. Here is Rosa speaking. Follow me and I am your shopping guide. I will introduce you a wonderful products. It is shower system with rain shower head, 5-function hand shower, adjustable slide bar and soap dish, brushed nickel finish. Let's start to introduce product-related information, pictures, and more information in detail. Also welcome to go on our website 𝐬𝐡𝐴𝐻.com. Shower system with rain shower head, 5-function ABS hand shower with handheld, adjustable slide bar, 59-inch stainless steel hose. Dual shower heads, overhead rainfall shower head and handheld shower head. The two shower heads are both angle adjustable, perfect for enjoying a multi-angle rain shower experience. For +1 shower and water-saving combo, the hand shower includes 5 settings: full body spray, massage spray, soft spray, high-pressure jet spray, pause. Note: 2 shower heads cannot use together. Easy to install, no need to contact a plumber and save your fees. Surface mounted, connects to your current shower head location and stay your existing hot/cold shower valve, not include in our package, retrofits your existing shower without a remodel. Unique design, soap dish, hose, adjustable height slide bar, luxurious look with all-surface finish, diverter and shower arm. Silicone spray holes on shower heads allow you easily to wipe away limescale buildup with the touch of a finger. Long-lasting performance, equipped with brushed nickel finish, the shower head with handheld is more anti-oxidation, corrosion and rust-resistant for a longer lifespan. Rainfall shower head. Top spray brings you luxury rain downpour. The water outlet is equipped with silica gel particles. Soft silicone nozzle is easy to clean, which can be removed calcification with your finger. Adjustable slide bar and soap dish. Rail-mounted shower tube, soap basket can be adjusted up and down. To move the soap box, you need to use a hex screwdriver to unscrew the screws on the back. 90 degrees rotation to change. You can change the top spray to the handheld shower head by rotate this knob 90 degrees to switch simply. Note: 2 shower heads cannot be opened at the same time. A hand shower with 59-inch stainless steel hose offers targeted cleaning over your body. About Home Garden Guide. Shop from a great collection of patio furniture and outdoor decorations at http://www.𝐬𝐡𝐴𝐻.com. Our store offers quality patio sets, tables, chairs, sofas, sectionals, decor, and more. 𝐬𝐡𝐴𝐻 is a professional store for furnitures and home improving and decoration products. It uses videos to display the highlights, functions and details which can help customers select their goods easily. For bulk orders, 𝐬𝐴𝐻 can customize according to your needs and offer special prices according to the amount. If you buy 5+ random items per order, you will get more discounts. For OEM and ODM wholesale orders, please contact the manufacturer via 𝐷oloresJMoniz12@gmail.com. Thank you for watching. Subscribe us to see more videos.